Hey guys, so Nubia has unveiled the Red Magic 7 series of gaming smartphones, and now the brand is also to launch new conventional flagship smartphone, the Nubia Z40 Pro. According to the company, the Nubia Z40 Pro will be one of the best flagship smartphone in the market. So let's take a look at all the features and specifications of the device, and let's see what Nubia has in store for us. Starting with the display, the Nubia Z40 Pro will get an OLED panel with curved edges on the front. There is a tiny hole punch cutout on the top center of the display with extremely narrow bezels. At the back you can see a large camera island with 3 camera sensors along with an LED flashlight. The main camera will be a 50 megapixel Sony IMX787 sensor, and the Z40 Pro will be the first smartphone in the world with this new sensor. Judging by its model number, the sensor will be one of the most premium mobile camera sensors from Sony. This new 35mm lens offers features like f1.6 aperture, optical image stabilization support, and 7p lens. Currently, there is no information about the rest of the two sensors, but one of them might be an ultra-wide-angle lens and the second one might be a telephoto lens. Since it's a flagship phone, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. The device will get power from a 4200 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging. But like other flagship phones, you will not get the power adapter inside the box, but the device will be the first Android phone that will support magnetic wireless charging. According to a new teaser post, the Nubia Z40 Pro will come out of the box with myOS 12 custom skin to offer better software experience. Its Geekbench listing reveals that the device will come with 16 GB of RAM and will run Android 12. The device is scheduled to launch on February 25th, which is just around the corner. So that is all for today, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.